Hey guys, this is LPS Wolf, and this is our foster puppies. This is Max, and this is Milo. Max, what are you doing? Come back. Milo! Milo! Come here!
Jeez, you guys. Told you they needed to go.
I know.
Milo didn't do too much though. He might go again.
Hello, Milo.
Hey, Max. Let me check on the mama.
Help me! I'm being attacked. Ah! Hiding from the beast! Phew! I'm glad I didn't get bitten. Milo, what are you doing? These are our beautiful foster puppies. Milo, what are you doing? What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say about me? What do you gotta say about Wolf? Yes, my name is Wolf. Yes, I know. The little demon. You my little demon? Puppy cam. Milo. Yep, wipe your butt. That's what you do. Hello. Ah! Mwah. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? Another puppy cam. Very close up puppy cam. Do you have poop on your paw? That is disgusting. This guy is very obnoxious. Hey, don't eat me. Don't eat me. Hey, Mama Wolf, when are they gonna... These guys will be up for adoption on Saturday this week, I think. And I think we're done with enough puppy footage. LPS Wolf, out.